Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today's video is about how to do voiceovers on TikTok. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First open your TikTok app and now to add a voiceover, tap on the plus icon given at the bottom bar and now upload a video or add a video for a voiceover. I'm selecting here a random video. Now, at the right side of the screen, you can see few icons, and among these icons, you can see a microphone icon written voice. You can use this icon to add voiceover to your video. Just simply tap on the icon and then tap on record to record your voice. You can also use voice filters here to change your voice or record sounds. Now tap the red button to record your voice and release it once your recording is done. And this is how you can add voiceovers to your video on TikTok. So everyone, hope the video helpful.